Hey guys, this is Chris Feaster from Hawks Outdoor, and I want to talk about how you're going to fuel up on diesel and how to put the depth fluid in. So if you want to follow me over here, I'm going to go to the driver's side door. I'm going to open the door, and you're going to see this little tiny compartment. Alright, so here's your diesel fuel cap. You're going to open this up until you hear click, and then you're going to pour the diesel in there. Make sure that it says diesel on it, because you put anything else than diesel, it's going to ruin your engine. And then after you're done, make sure this clicks back in. Then you close the little panel, and then you're off to go. Well, now I'm going to talk about the DEF system. So the DEF system is a diesel exhaust fluid. So basically it helps with the diesel fuel exhaust, and it turns it into water. Don't explain to me how that works. I'm not a scientist. So anyway, when you're gonna put DEF is always gonna be blue. Blue is gonna be your best friend, and DEF is usually blue fluid. So you pour that in, and then after you've finished pouring that whole gallon, you put the screw back on, and you're ready to go. And another reason, if you don't put DEF in it, it will actually stop the car from operating. So it will not allow you to drive. So make sure you're on top of the DEF system and have a fun time on your adventure. I basically just recommend to follow the maintenance on these on the vans, and that's pretty much it.